Cold Open. Welcome to the express lane of entrepreneurial wisdom, where we serve bite-sized knowledge. Today, we're dishing out 3 fundamental tips to kickstart your business journey. Tip 1, validate your business idea. Market research isn't just for the big leagues. It's your compass in the business wilderness. Look for potential customers, gauge their interest, and understand their needs. Tip 2, get your finances in order. Starting a business requires capital. Evaluate your funding options, calculate startup costs, and remember, financial management is as essential as your morning coffee. Tip 3, build a strong network. They say it's lonely at the top, but it doesn't have to be. Connect with mentors, join industry groups, and never underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned handshake. There you have it, a quick starter pack for your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, every giant oak was once a tiny acorn. Stay tuned for more nuggets of wisdom. Till then, keep dreaming, keep hustling,